Planning a ski holiday to Mount Buller? Then look no further. Whether you're a dedicated ski enthusiast or first-time snow tourist, this is your launch pad to Mount Buller. This is a team of passionate snow professionals that will create the perfect snow holiday, whether for a day or overnight. With on-site ski hire outlet accommodation, outdoor heated pool, and hot tub, the Alzburg resort is the whole package. Get to Mount Buller quickly with the best ski hire in Mansfield at the best prices. Alzburg Ski Hire is the ultimate Mount Buller one-stop shop for all your ski and snowboard hire needs. Book online and get 15% off walk-in rates. Beat the rest and book online. Open 7 days during winter, early till late. Offers a great range of skis, boards, and other quality equipment such as helmets, gloves, goggles, balaclavas, scarves, and thermals, all current and well-maintained. Mount Buller Ski Hire to 0 to 5 prices. Check out the rates over multiple days or if you're only going up for 1 day only. Ski Hire skis, boots, poles, and helmet, $55 to 1 day. Snowboard Hire snowboard, boots, and helmet, $55 to 1 day. Jacket and pants size age 0 to 12, XS10XL, $40 for 1 day. Walking boots, $20 for 1 day. Snow chains, $35 for 1 day. Gloves and goggles combo purchased, $60. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.